What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Untamed Outdoorsman. And today we're going to be looking for calm water like such in hopes of getting some topwater bite. So let's see what happens. They're fishing a 130 size whopper. We're gonna see what happens. I guarantee it. There's no way. There, wait. Not already followed, follow the Instagram page. Just started, it's going pretty good. And yeah, feel free to check that out. Alright, so we're gonna go all the way to the tree line, all the way at the end. A lot of lily pads, a lot of calm water. We're gonna see what we can get from that. Come on, grab it. Oh, whoa, what the? What? Oh my God, that was a bass too. Damn. That's nuts. That's actually kind of weird. Okay. Try a rattling Ned. I don't know how I'm getting dragged out right now. swim baits. Ribbon tail stick baits, that's what I want. Yep, rattling mids. What's that? Smell like just wicked strong garlic. You smell like just fucking garlic, dude. How the fuck have we moved this far? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Holy shit. Oh yeah, dude, that might be a good one. Oh, that's not what I want, but that's a good sized pike. That's a good sized pike, dude. That's a big one. Oh my God, that thing's got some beef to it. That thing has some beef to it. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, keep that away from me. Nope. There we go, dude. That's a good, get that away from me. Okay, shh, stop. Shh, stop. Stop. Hey, calm down. The size of this guy, dude. That's a big pike. Look at the GoPro. Look at that. That's a good sized pike. This thing is big. Alright, this thing's got. Alright, see you later, buddy. Oh, damn. Alright, so overall, was not really what I was expecting today. I expected to catch at least one bass, but instead we caught a solid 4.5 pound pike on a Senko. So I guess that's something. But yeah, I mean, I'm sure we're gonna have at least like 4 or 5 more videos related to kayak fishing and fishing until the season's over. I mean, it's what's the date today? August 25th from the point of recording this. So hopefully we can at least get 4 to 6 more videos like this in until we can't anymore. So definitely keep an eye out for that. And I'm hoping throughout the winter we can do something either with ATVs or something like that, or even fishing tutorials throughout the winter. That's a bird. We can do with like ATV videos or fishing tutorials, or even we do some fishing in the winter. We do some Alabama rigs, we do some lipless crankbaits, we do colder water techniques. We can give those a shot. Definitely. I would definitely be down to do that. But yeah, we'll see what happens, and I will see you guys on the next video. See you later. Footage. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Some bonus footage for you all. It's not that big, but I'm really hoping you guys can see this.